Here's two chairs that I ordered from Lazada, and they come pretty well wrapped. Delivered 345 baht for both chairs. Yes, sirree, folks, it's the unboxing of the chairs. Here we have some chairs. And here we have the plastic that's over the chairs. We're going to take the plastic that's over the chairs off so we can see the chairs that we bought. This is an amazing unboxing, and you won't see content like this anywhere else on the internet. Thank God. Only on YouTube and on Daddy's famous channel, Urban Gardening Thailand. This might take a long time because they wrap this in a hell of a lot of plastic. Don't worry about the environment, kids. It's only plastic. And the legs are really wrapped strongly with a lot of tape. So we're going to pause this and come back in 1 second, but don't go away. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel so you can see more unboxing, unveiling, unwrapping of plastic chairs. This is really exciting, folks. Let's see what they look like before we get down to everything. And there they are. It's a blue plastic chair. Bought from Lazada online. What could be more beautiful than this, huh? Aren't they lovely? They'll fit right into the decor of your home. So don't go away because we're going to be taking off all the plastic. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel or the chair gets it. I have never seen the bottom legs of chairs wrapped so thoroughly in my entire life. I mean, these guys wrapped these bottom legs so that they could be shipped across the globe. I mean, I don't even know how I'm supposed to get all the plastic off. They have wrapped it so thoroughly with tape and with paper. So I guess the legs are really vulnerable to damage, and so they wanted to be sure that the legs were not damaged, and they wrapped them together so that both chairs would stay together. And so we have this unbelievable waste of plastic and tape. They spared no expenses, and I actually finally made it down to the bottom here. And what's interesting, I'm going to turn this around, I don't know if you can see it, is there's actually little rubber protectors on the bottoms of these chairs. Very interesting. Ta-da! These are the most amazing, most comfortable chairs you're ever going to buy for 150 baht, which is about $5 US. And you saw the unboxing, unveiling right here on Urban Gardening Thailand channel. You've got to hit that like button. You've got to subscribe to this channel because you're never going to see content like this anywhere else. What nice chairs to just sit back and relax on. I'm a happy camper.